just woke up a bit late, but let's just do some recap. I'm building this together. This account is at $2,295. We made about 15% gain on it. We had 1, 2, 3 lessons, 2,000 starting balance, and then we made profits. We made 2 very big profits from a trade, and it went straight to our take profit. So what we're actually doing is basically we're not looking for home runs, not looking for trades that we're holding for weeks upon top of weeks. No, what I'm looking for is premium setups only. I take these setups, I make 3 times what I'm looking to risk. I just keep on building this account. When this account is built up to a certain level now, then I can decide, okay, I'm gonna hold my trades a little longer. I don't need the cushion in this account. So right now I'm building cushion in the account. So the more money I build in this account is the more cushion that the account has, so that I can actually not have to, I'm not even worried right now, but I can be more flexible with my trades. And not to say that I'm gonna have bad habits, but yeah, when you have more money in your account, you definitely sometimes develop bad habits, like, you know, not closing out when you're supposed to close and stuff like that. But when the account is small, you take your time and you build it. So especially if you've been away from the market for a little while, it's good to always probably start back with a small amount in your account, build it just to build back your skill set and sharpen your skill set. Those things that you actually built upon, it will basically just carry over to when you actually have a bigger account. You can actually trade that bigger account with less stress or less issues. Now, just work as I told you, gotta get that apple cider vinegar, amino acids, creatine, L-carnitine, and start the day. So, where's the next apple cider vinegar? Apple cider, found the apple cider. So, found the apple cider, found the lemon, it's apple cider lemon. Apple cider lemon, turmeric, just a little ginger, just a little cinnamon, just a little. Where's the cayenne now? Cayenne. Yeah. So I got the electrolytes. I got more digestive enzymes, and the nitric oxide. The nitric oxide actually helps you with the blood flow. So it helps you with your blood flow. All right. So 1 cup of or cork of apple cider, some lemon juice, a little water. So remember, this activates your stomach acid. For those that just following, paying attention, this activates your stomach acid so you can actually digest properly and absorb all the nutrients that you're going to be actually taking from the food throughout the day. So that's disgusting. Remember, we don't do this for taste. We don't eat for taste. We eat for nutrients. Right? So we got the amino acid. Amino acid is basically done right now. So amino acid, Tomcat Ali. I only take the Tomcat Ali on my training days. So days that I'm training, working out, getting bigger, fitter, I take the Tomcat Ali. Other days, it's no Tomcat. So that's in that. Just a little, put the electrolyte in the water. Amazon has a lot of these, all of these stuff. So everything I have here is from Amazon. Electrolytes in this up. This is very disgusting. I wouldn't recommend it. It doesn't taste good. Wow. Remember, guys, we don't eat for taste, we eat for nutrients. All right, so let's get it. I'm gonna do some chart breakdown right now. Just go over the trades that I took, and you know, y'all gonna see what's up. All right, so Nemo, need to see how this thing goes. Yeah. So yeah, I know you're going to come my way. I'm trying to make you mine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just me and you. Let's drop this on. Yeah. Yeah, you. You know, it's another day on the grind, making that moolah. So 2,200 so look at this. $2,229. This is what's happening right now. As you can see, I'm just updating the balance As I go, wins and lessons, I'm updating. All right, so this trade, so this trade was a gold trade, and as you guys can see, posted this gold trade inside the community. Where is it? 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 So I posted this gold trade here inside the community. When did I post it? I posted it on January 4th, right? Nothing happened. Market then opened bullish. Then market popped up above area. Regarding GJ now, I put this barrier there. Market was here, and it basically went down into the area, and then we lost other less than $200, which is 10%, but we ended up making back that, and we made. So this is it, first L, right? It was a good trade still. It looked like a good trade because we took it here and it was pushing down, but then market went about here, almost filled this week, then pulled back up, and then it started to climb. But when it started to climb now, that's when I actually took the buys. So I got in a little late, but better to be late than never, right? So I got in on it, and this is it right now, running. So the profit came out to be 343 minus the fees, and this is the whole setup. So 3 lessons. This was 10%, about 5, about 4, and then this is where it's at right now. No, this is where GJ is at right now. GJ is coming back to the barrier. So we're at the barrier, broke above the barrier, which is right here. Market is coming back to the barrier, this barrier right now. When it gets back to the barrier, I'm gonna set some alerts for some buy opportunities at the barrier. So, example, we took this to the top here, we closed out. We don't care about it jumping above. We don't care about the fact that, we could have made double. No, that's not what is important. What is important is being consistent at making money right now. So we're consistent at enter, exit. Okay, we got more. Cool. Market did this, it's coming back. Enter, exit, right? This is what we're doing. All we're doing is entries and exits. That's all we're doing right now. We don't care about the market could go all the way up to that zone or the next. No, that's not important right now. So we're looking for GJ to make a little deeper retracement right now. Let me see to the left to see what's happening. Where's all the chart data? Yeah. So this is where we're at, I think. So let me just make note of this level here. Ugly ass color. Let me put a different size. Let me put some different sizes. Okay. So this is where we're actually having some movements here. But definitely this is gonna be the next spot, which is 212.434. Right? So that's definitely gonna be the next spot. So right now we're breaking below here, or we broke below there. Right? That was a very important spot right there. And we're just gonna see what's happening. So we're here right now. So what I'm gonna look for especially is that if the market can, while it is doing this, if it can actually come back somewhere down here and make a double bottom. So shoot, why did I open this? Cancel. All right, so if it can come back here, come back down here, probably even down here, and then shoot here. But I'm looking for, this is my next TP level. Yeah, this is my next take profit level here. I'm gonna set my alerts here. So when I know that it comes back down into this zone, this is the focus, okay? Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for on that level, all right? So let me just see this too. So this was this size of this move. The overall potential of this move can be, see if we go to here. We're not looking for that right now. Not looking for that right now. We're looking for stability, okay? Looking for stability. So this is what it's doing. I'm not gonna rush it. No, I don't care. The next thing we're looking at is US 30. So US 30 just broke above these zones right here, this zone. US 30 has no top. So you have to base it on the previous measurement. So example, previous measurement here, and this was the last top area. So potential we can get to all the way up there for US 30. See? Potential we can get all the way up there, but it's gonna take some time. We can also come back a little deeper into the area, like probably here. We can even come back all the way down here. All right, these are possible. But at the moment, focus on what the market is giving you, not no fairy tales, okay? So So let me just copy it. Inside the learn and earn immediately. US 30 potential. I'm gonna post GJ potential also. So GJ potential. See what's happening with this. Gold. Let me see what's happening with gold. Gold is at this old something new something area. It wants to go further up. It wants to go to here. Or we need to get some strength. Where are we going to get some strength? Probably within this area now. All right. So somewhere within this area. So we can set some alerts along this area here. Potentially. Cool. To still go to the top there. That's the level. Not every day is a trading day. Not because I post these moves means that you should trade them. What it means is that I'm looking at something and something is probably going to happen. So we just gotta be patient to see if it actually happens. All right, so, this looks like it already did that lower thing. I'm gonna make you mine for a lifetime. But everything's possible still, so we just gotta be patient and wait to see what happens here, in this area here. Just gotta see what happens, man. So it might look like it's bullish and it's running, but you know, everything is possible. So the market can actually pull back somewhere within this area. We're looking for the pullback. If it does a pullback, cool, that's okay, we missed it. But if it does pull back, okay, we caught it. You know, and if we don't catch it, that's all right. Tomorrow is another trading day. The next day, there's another period you can trade. You know, just so many different things that's possible within this market. You know, so we're looking for quality, not quantity. We're looking for consistency, not home runs. All right. So just remember this, bear this in mind whenever you're trading. So I'm gonna jump to do some pull-ups, some push-ups, and some other stuff right now. I'm gonna stop this recording, post this recording inside the Learn and Earn so that they can benefit from it. And yeah, that's how we do it. So be sure to follow at Pajama Billionaire every platform, and be sure to ask me questions in the chat, in the comments, and I'm here to answer every single one of them. I promise you this. All right. So the routine is done recording just to make sure that I'm actually posting consistently, and then I'm gonna also post this video inside the Discord group now too, because that's vital. I'm trying to send this video. I gotta probably, because my day kind of getting away from me now, trying to do this. Okay, hopefully I'm able to post this video now. All right, so workout time. Gotta do some workouts, no excuses. God is the greatest. First, I'm the first to wake everywhere. All right, so let's dive into it now. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna because yesterday, I think I slept on the wrong side. My neck hurting right now. Oh my God, my neck. Whoa. Okay, let's go. I'm doing 100 of these. It's discipline. I'm telling you guys, waking up early in the rising is not the easiest thing to do when you're just starting out. However, once you started, once you put some effort into it, you're gonna get up like clockwork. So I get up, shower, activate my stomach acids so that I can digest my food better. Took my supplements for the rising, all natural supplements. Then do some chart work, post that in the group. Some workout here. A series, set timer for 1 minute. So, yeah, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. All right, so that 1 minute mark was hit. Let me do some mountain climb. Okay. The next workout is gonna be patience. You see, market is going back down to the levels I told you. Even though it looked like it was going up, it's actually going back down to those levels. You just gotta be patient, man, to get those premium setups. The moment it goes back down and then it shows itself, the potential for a high probability trade to go in your direction. Oh, my neck. The major issue today is my neck. Wow. So now 50 push-ups. Yes. Yeah, remember discipline and consistency. All you need to be motivated. Discipline plus consistency is equal to motivation. You become consistent at it. Then you start seeing results. Then you start being motivated. You're self-motivated when you see results. You're not motivated if you're not seeing any results. Because it's like everybody is drawn to some type of result. Whether it be monetary, whether it be that feel-good feeling, you know, whether it be something you can see. People want to see results. Most people are, or everybody's only drawn to results. This is what gets them motivated. So once you understand your mind, understand this is what motivates you, even if it's humanitarian effort. You're going out and you see people smiling and you being able to totally help people. That's motivating. Why? Because you're seeing people smile. You're seeing lives change. You might go through some tough times and you're seeing how you're able to make life easier for a lot of people. So of course you're going to be motivated to want to do it because you're seeing the results immediately. Some results may take longer than some, but the moment you try, be disciplined at that specific thing, find who can actually help you achieve the results and you work with them. It's not how you achieve it, it's who you can find to help you achieve it, whether it be somebody like me that you're following, you're subscribing to. I'm a who to you because I'm the person you're looking at, being motivated by because you're seeing real-time results and you're seeing real-time dedication. It's not the easiest thing to break your body into waking up this early or to eat the way that I eat, to train the way that I train. It's not the easiest thing to do. So don't look at it and be like, it's easy. No, it's not easy to walk or run 10 miles, 15 miles, 20 miles. People train, people work towards that. So I respect people's results. As long as somebody gets up and do something, I have full respect for that. But I have no respect for people who criticize but never tried nothing, never willing to try nothing. You criticize and say, hey, you're not doing enough of this, but what are you doing? So I want you guys to focus and just, as I tell you, remove negative energy, remove negative people, remove people who are not seeing results, showing results, people who are not contributing to your results from your life, and you'd have the most amazing life. I promise you this. Okay, you want no negative energy in your life. Follow the people that are in line with the thing that you're trying to achieve. So if you're trying to have results from day trading, if you want to have results from some other type of thing that you're doing, you want to make sure that you're following the people that are going to get to the results. And remove those people that are not going to get to no results. You want fitness? You follow fitness people. This is what I do. I follow only fitness people and other people within the niches that I'm in. But bless up, I'm gonna go train now. So it's just me alone awake in the dead of the night right now. So still night. Nobody's awake. Nobody's awake, man. God is the greatest. And we're just up. We do the workout, trading, all that. And this is all this stuff. You can work before you go to work. No, I'm working before I go to work. Alright, so today we're doing legs. So we're just gonna dive into it. We're gonna do both these leg workouts. Guys, I'm learning and I'm improving. I'm actually working on the angles and just being able to shoot better. The best shooter yet, but alright, today's leg. Tell me when you're ready. Sit there, sir. Good? Okay. Huh? Yeah. So this is 20, 40, that are 60, and 40 is 100. So this is 200 and 200 and what? 250.
45 plate event.
250. It's a 90. 90, 180 plus 20. I'm getting to my results because I put the work in. That's the only reason I'm getting to my results. Because I put the work in and I push myself. So I'm at a certain weight right now, or a level, push myself to the next. That's all I'm doing. Pushing myself, learning and improving. And don't ever think about the weight, just do. And don't ever think about the weight, just do. Trouble. Core tight. Core gotta be tight. This is 80 and 80, about 160. And then this is about another 20. So this is about 180. 180 pounds. This man I go squat with?
Yeah. Start more weight.
How much weight?
Start more weight.
Put up half a pound?
Yeah.
Let's go. How much squat? Just took this entry here, stop loss below this little consolidation area right there. So actually just looking at what is potentially going to happen now. Wow. All right, let's see if it's the stop loss. Not the best entry, this wasn't the best entry, but let's just see it. Okay, stop loss hit. So lost that amount. So what it's trying to do is just form the second bottom. I'm gonna catch it back, but I hate just messing up like that. I don't really like it. So I took a small L on a previous trade, and now we actually just got back in. The thing is, because I'm working out, so I'm not really fully focused, right? But it's like the market had some consolidation area here that I basically took, because normally the market will just push off that consolidation. But today the market didn't really, it pushed, but it didn't really maintain. So we got caught in that right now. So this is my second trade. The max I'm gonna be willing to risk is about another $100 on this trade. If I learn something today, I'm moving on to tomorrow, right? So the goal is to live the trade another day. We're not over risking, we're not over leveraging. We're just risking, just very small amounts of the account to build it. So it looked like it wanted to go down, but that's not the case. It's just forming some bullish candle. It's almost 7:30. Let me also check the news. What I probably start doing is just wait until like after a certain time before I start taking entries, But the market like to go against the direction that it wants to go into when it's close to news time. So you realize that it's forming the bottom candles right now, or it's close to those times. So 7:30, market usually push 8 a.m., 9:30 especially. So in this right now, so $78 negative, $57 negative, $65 negative. And we're taking our time. So it's now 7:30. Let's see if it's gonna push up. So it didn't push up, so we actually just went down. Let me tell you how much the L was for today. The L was $300 for today. But we're still in the zone. So the only thing we lost was the profits from yesterday, which is alright. So the market probably start moving at about 9 o'clock. Love me better. Probably start using like limit orders. That's not my trading style, but you don't know. Might not, because it allows you to not be paying too much attention to the market. Love me better. 211410. So I'm gonna see how it go. So what I'm gonna do now, since the market did this to me today, I'm gonna lower the risk on the account to probably start pushing like some one lots, or just placing a lot and then just waiting to basically place another entry if I'm gonna take other entries. But right now it's just about risk management. The goal is to live the trade another day, to survive. It's the best thing you can do is just survive. That's all you need to do. So we're forming some bullish candles to go up. So let's just really see how it goes, Like this. 10. All right, so for the lessons that we just got, we're chilling. Remember, not every day is a winning day. But you win, well, every day is a winning day. Every day is a winning day, but you win by being disciplined. $212.044. So enter here, take profit at the top of the zone. I don't need no more than that. That's all I need. So I'm up $34 now, and it's running. Yeah, so we're in good now. From your start to the market, gap up, in good. You can't grow with the same weight, so you gotta add weight to it.
21 means straight 7 over there. Yeah, look a bit too heavy.
But I lift it though.
Lightning with 21. Lightning, go right at 100 or 90. How much is this, a 7?
I'm gonna do 150, 10.
Just straight 7, all the way down, all the way up.
7?
Yeah, let's hold that. All the way out, man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 1, 2. Touch me on, man. Touch me on. All the way out now. All the way out.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Just you have to touch me.
Bro, I have to go probably lower them weight. Ready?
Every way the certain things to me, you know. Go. 1. All the way out or up, man.
I'm gonna start it. I'm start now.
Sir, you can't check all of them when you finish.
Ready?
Straight 7. You see like how you have to stretch out?
Yeah.
I saw this 7 and stretch out each side. 1. Stretch him out, man. 2, 3. Go down slower as that. 4, 5, 6, 7. Touch me on. 1. Stretch him out slow. Floor. Touch. 1, 2. Touch. 3, 4, 5. You do the half of 7 then first. Yeah. Half of 7.
In or out, that's all?
4, yeah. Half of 7. 1, 2. Stretch out hand. Slow down now. Up. Touch me on. Stretch out and curl all the way underneath your neck. Straight 7 on. Straight 7. All the way out. All the way. Work.
Yeah.
Work.
All right, so this is the thing about trading. GJ is a very disgusting pair, right? So look at this, very disgusting pair. We're up we're up $300 right now. So up $300, $305. We took some lessons earlier today. I'm actually adjusting my trading style, especially the start of the year now, because my mind is in the place where I'm understanding when does the market want to move. So we have $400 right now. Understanding. So I start understanding when the market want to move now, right? We took some L's. I'm gonna break it down earlier. But I got up early as normal. But the thing about it is I went to my bed late. So when I got up, I was just trying to just get as much things done. Did my analysis and stuff like that, but I did a little thing where I rushed my entries. So I took some L's. What I did was I funded back the account with $1,500 add to it. So what I'm doing now is that when this makes the profit, which I'm going to make good profits on this, I'm going to basically withdraw back the $1,500 that I added to the account. So once it hits this level, I'm going to withdraw it back. I'm going to take out that $1,500 as a safety net in case I should mess up. I'm not saying that I'm going to mess up anymore, but it's just a safety net in the case that I mess up. We're all humans and things do happen as a human being. So it's just a risk management mechanism. I know when the market is going to move. I know where to want to move to. Because I posted the analysis from today. It's the same analysis. It's just I bought too early. I was entering buy opportunities very, very early, and I'm being very transparent with this account. Entered buy opportunities very, very early, and this is what messed me up. But now we're in decent profits and we're running, all right? And I'm gonna show you guys all the results of it. We'll soon hit take profit. As I told you, I'm looking for short moves. So this is supposed to probably make us about $3,000 minimum. Make that 3,000, withdraw 500, put back in the wallet section of the trading platform that I'm using. and just continue to build from where the account is at after that. You know, so the account's supposed to be about $4,000, 4-5 after today. But let's just see how it goes. Let's see if we actually get there. Let's see if the markets mess around again. You know, but we just have to take it a day at a time and just manage risk. As I tell you, take it a day at a time and just manage your risk. The risk management is the most important thing. And just having the confidence to know that I can make this money. Even if I take a lesson, I can make it back. But that's the greatest feeling to know you can look back at your results and know where you're. So 10. You say you don't recommend going the full 200 yet. I normally push the 200. This better?
Yes.
10. Magnet. We have to take off the case. Done. Market was moving a little crazy earlier. We had market looking like it's ready to push from this support level here. We were up $300 plus, back at $36. Right now, back at $36. It's after 9. This I tell you I was going to start trading more around 9 a.m. versus trading earlier, because I realize when I trade earlier, there's a lot of things that happen in the market that don't make no sense sometimes, you know. But as I tell you, the mindset has to be firm, and the trading is the biggest tester of your mind. You know, it tests you to see you have that strong mind and willingness to continue going, regardless of the hits that may come from trading, because the market will slap you in the face daily, as I told you before. So you just gotta be that type of person where you know, okay, you might slap me in the face, but I'm still gonna win. I'm still gonna come out on top. So this is why, you know, I win at trading. I'm successful at trading because I understand this. I understand that no matter how many punches the market gives me or throws at me, I'm gonna throw some punches back. I'm gonna learn how to play on the defense and the offense. So sometimes I may need to just chill, evaluate, just be on the defense for a little, take some punches, and then when I start attacking, I'm attacking powerful, to grow. And it's a constant state of adapting. So you gotta adapt to what the market is doing. You gotta adapt and just pay more attention. Trade what you see, not what you think. Sometimes you might want to trade what you think, but now you gotta trade what you see always.